Hello children, today we will be doing a composition topic, picture composition. Today we will be writing a composition on the sun. The sun is a big ball of fire. Children, it is very hot and nobody can go near the sun. It is very hot, so it is known as a big ball of fire. The sun rises in the east. Rises means when it comes up. So which is day. So the sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. During the day, children, the sun is in the afternoon. It is directly over our head, and that's when we feel very hot. But in the morning, it rises in the east and sets in the west. The sun also gives us light and heat. In the day, we feel hot. It's because the sun is up in the sky, and it also gives us light. Do we have light in the night? No, that's because the sun has already set. But in the day, the sun is shining in the sky, and so we have light, and the sun also gives us heat. Now you have learnt earlier about the sun, how useful it is for plants. Plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. The leaves of the plants, they make their food only in the presence of sunlight. And because of sunlight, a plant can grow up. So a sun is useful for the plant because it can prepare its food and also for it to grow. The sun shines only during the day. Have you seen the sun in the sky at night? No, we see the moon. But only during the day the sun is up in the sky shining brightly. So we see the sun only during the day. So the sun shines through the day. Children, the sun is very far away from us. Though it is such a big ball of fire, it is so far away from us that it looks to us like a small spot in the sky, like a little ball in the sky. But actually it is very far away from us. And do you know something, children? A sun is a star. It is the brightest star in the sky. Even though it doesn't have the shape of a star, it is known as the brightest star in the sky. And the sun is very far away from us. That is why it looks like a little ball in the sky. So now children, we know so much about the sun. Let us write an essay. Children, we are now going to write a composition on the sun. We have seen the pictures earlier, and using the keywords, we are going to write this composition. Now, if you notice, children, here, every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. And then again, you start a new sentence using a capital letter ending with a full stop. That's the way to write your paragraph. Okay, let's begin. The sun. The sun is a big ball of fire. It rises in the east and sets in the west. It gives us heat and light. It helps plants to prepare food and helps it to grow. It shines through the day. The sun is very far away from us. So this is the way, children, you have to write your composition in a paragraph form. using a capital letter in the beginning and ending every sentence with a full stop. Children, we will look at these pictures and you will write the composition on your own. But we will look at the pictures and I have given you few hint words so that you can form your sentence correctly. Today we are going to write a composition on an apple. Now look at this picture. An apple is a fruit. So don't only write fruit. You have to write an apple is a fruit. It is very sweet. After every sentence, you will put a full stop and then start a new sentence with a capital letter. We get apples in green and red. So don't only write green and red, write we get apples in green and red. Then end with a full stop and start the next sentence with a capital letter. An apple has many seeds. If you cut open an apple, you will see many small seeds inside it. An apple is good for health. End with a full stop. Again, the next sentence starts with a capital letter. An apple grows on big trees. You will never find apples on small trees. An apple grows on big trees. Now the uses of an apple. From an apple we can make apple juice, apple jam and apple pie. So children, now you will write your own composition using these key words that I have given you, but make a proper sentence, end with a full stop and then begin with a capital letter after that. Now you will write your essay on your own. Here children, you will write your composition of an apple. This is the title, you write it on top, an apple. And then you begin here. Don't write it in point form, but write it in a paragraph form. Okay? Enjoy writing your composition. Thank you, children.